Hello everyone, a very good morning to you all and welcome to your very first class of subject English. Okay, before starting anything, we will revise your previous class syllabus. Okay, what you have done in your previous class? Cursive small A to Z. Remember, cursive small A to Z you have already done. Okay, now we will revise it again. Okay, cursive small a, we will start from first alphabet A. It starts from third line and go to second, then make a curve to third and go second and make a curve. This is your A. Now B, start from third line and go to first line and third line, second, and this is your B. C starts from third and second and again third line, this is your C. And now D, it starts from third line again and we'll go to second line and come back to third line and go to first line, slanting line and then curve. E, from third to second, then come back to third and little bit up. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. Now F, it starts from third line again and go to first, then fourth, then second and now G, third to second, make a curve like A, same like A, yes, but it will go to third line and this is your G. Now H, H start from third line, go to first line, then third, second and third. Okay. Now I, third to second, then third, then make a curve and a dot. This is your J, third to second, then fourth and this is your J. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Now we will write K. The small k starts from third line and go to first, then third and second and this is your K. After K we will write L. It starts from third line and go to first line and third. This is your L. Okay. M, third to second, then third, again second, then third, again second, then third and make a curve. Now N, this time we will do only 2 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now we will do 2 times, 1 and 2. This is N. Now O, third to second, make a round and this is your O. K, L, M, N, O. Now P, third to first, then fourth, then go up to third and P. Okay. Now Q, third to second, like A again, it will go to fourth line and this is your Q. Now R starts from third line, second, this and third line, this is your R. Now S, it starts from third line again, curve, slanting line, 2 second, then curve, and this. You can do this like this. Okay. Now T, it starts from third line again, go to first, then come back to third and make a curve, and here you have to make line. Don't do this here, it should be here. Okay, this is your T. P, Q, R, S, T. Now we will write U. Yes, slant to second, then third, and second and third, and make a curve. This is your U. Now again we will do the same like U. Okay, but this time we will make a slanting again, then go up and make a curve in this way. Okay, now W. Yes, this is a single U and we will do double U. We will write W. This again, this is your first U and this is your second U. Double U, W. Okay. Now X, very easy. Slanting and curve to third line and this, and go to second this side and X. Okay. And Y, like U, same, but we will go to fourth line in this time. Okay, this is your Y. The last letter Z, we'll start it from third line, go to second line, then make this, and okay, this is your Z. Now we have completed our A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is your A to Z small cursive. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.